Good evening everyone, myself Prakash. Today I am going to deliberate my seminar talk on vascular bundle and its structure and its classification. Uh, the main objective of this seminar topic is vascular bundle, what is vascular bundle and different type of vascular bundle and how vascular bundles are originate. We will discuss one by one. First things, before we going to the topic, we will discuss about what is vascular bundle. Vascular bundle is a component, mainly vascular bundles are the components of vascular tissue system, so like your xylem and phloem. Mainly vascular bundles are also known as vesicles. Mainly it is a part of transport system in plants. It is the primary tissue system in the plants, and it is a complex tissue in the plant system because it is composed of more than one type of cells. We'll discuss about it one by one. The vascular bundles and its components. Mainly vascular bundle consists of two main components, that is your xylem and phloem. The xylem is the main water conducting tissue of the vascular bundles and phloems is the food conducting tissue. Xylem and phloems are the complex tissue because they consist of more than one type of cell tissue. They are like the in xylem we found four components, that is your tracheids, vessels, xylem fiber, xylem parenchyma. Similarly, in case of phloem, we found sieve tube, sieve cell, companion cell, phloem parenchyma, phloem fibers. How vascular bundles originate in plants, we discuss about it. The vascular bundles mainly consist of your xylem and phloem. When the elements of xylem and phloems are organized in a group, they form vascular bundles. As we see in the screen, here is the figure of vascular bundles. Here is the anatomical part of the stem. Here the vascular bundles are arranged in the conjoint manner. We'll discuss about it, what is conjoint vascular tissue. Then we discuss about the what are the different type of vascular bundles found in the plants. Mainly there are various criteria through which we can differentiate vascular bundles. First things, based on the presence or absence of cambium, we can differentiate vascular bundles into two type. One is your open vascular bundles, and second one is your closed vascular bundle. The in case of open vascular bundles, we found cambium in the vascular bundles in between xylem and phloems. We'll discuss about it. Then in case of closed type vascular bundle, the cambiums are absent. But based on the arrangement of a vascular bundle in plant body, there are two type of vascular bundles arrangement we found. One is a radial and second one is a conjoint type of vascular bundles. Then based on the arrangement of individual vascular bundles components, there are three type of vascular bundle we found in the plant. One is your collateral vascular bundle, second one is your bicollateral vascular bundle, then third one is your concentric vascular bundle. We will discuss in details one by one. uh, Here is the outline of different type of vascular bundle. Based on the presence and absence of cambium, the vascular bundles are divided into two type. One is your open type vascular bundle, second one is your closed type vascular bundle. Similarly, based on the arrangement, we divide the vascular bundles into two type. One is your radial vascular bundle, then conjoint vascular bundle. uh, in conjoint vascular bundle, there are three different type of conjoint vascular bundle we found. One is your collateral vascular bundle, bicollateral vascular bundle, and concentric vascular bundle. Then concentric vascular bundle again divided into two type. One is your amphicrival vascular bundle, then amphivassal vascular bundle. What are the amphicrival and amphivassal, we will discuss. Then first things, we discuss the type of vascular bundle based on the presence or absence of cambium. Based on presence and absence of cambium, vascular bundles are two type. One is your open type of vascular bundle, second one is your closed type vascular bundle. One question arises in your mind, what is cambium? The cambium, a meristematic tissue which are responsible for secondary growth in plants. Okay, Cambiums are the meristematic tissue which are responsible for secondary growth in plants. Based on cambium, vascular bundle are two type. One is your open vascular bundle, and then your second one is your closed type vascular bundle. If cambium present, then such type of vascular bundles are known as open vascular bundles. Open type of vascular bundles are common in case of dicot. In such type of vascular bundle, we found the secondary growth. The cambium are present in between xylem and phloem, which are represent here, like in the vascular bundle. Here the phloem and xylem. In between phloem and xylem, there is a cambium ring. Such type of vascular bundle, we can say open type of vascular bundle. Cambium present between xylem and phloems are known as fascicular cambium. Okay, the fascicular cambium are the cambium which are present in between xylem and phloem. Then closed type of vascular bundle. Closed type of vascular bundle. In closed type of vascular bundle, there is cambium absent. Okay, such type of vascular bundles mainly found in case of your monocots. In closed type of vascular bundle, there is no secondary growth found, and there is no fascicular cambium present. In closed type of vascular bundle, there is no cambium ring. As you see in the figure, here is the closed type of vascular bundle where xylem and phloems are separated, but there is no cambium ring. Okay, such type of vascular bundles are known as closed type of vascular bundles. Then, based on the arrangement of vascular bundles in the plant cell or plant part, there are two type of vascular bundles arrangement we found. One is a radial vascular bundle, second one is a conjoint vascular bundle. Radial vascular bundle. In radial vascular bundle, xylem and phloems are arranged in the vascular region in different patches. Okay, xylem and phloems are arranged separately, mainly different patches they are present. As you see in the screen, here is the radial type of vascular bundle where xylem and phloems are present in the vascular region in different or separate patches. They are arranged in alternatively in a different radii. Here xylem first present, then after xylem, then phloem. Such type alternative arrangement we found in the vascular region. Such type of vascular bundles arrangement are known as radial type of vascular arrangement or radial type of vascular bundle. Such radial type of vascular bundles mainly found in case of your roots. In the root anatomical structure, we found the radial type of vascular arrangement. Then we'll discuss about the conjoint vascular bundles. In conjoint vascular bundles, xylem and phloems are arranged together. In conjoint vascular bundles, xylem and phloems are arranged together, where xylem and phloems are arranged together in a bundles, and they are present in the same radius. Conjoint vascular bundles mainly found in case of your stem, leaves. There are three type of conjoint vascular bundles we found. One is your collateral vascular bundle, then bicollateral vascular bundle, then third one is your concentric type of vascular bundles. Collateral vascular bundle. What is collateral vascular bundle? Collateral vascular bundles are the common type of vascular bundles. Mainly, it is a conjoint type of vascular bundle where phloems located outside of the xylem. Where phloems are present outside to the xylem. Here we can see the xylem is present to the inner side and phloem is present towards the outer side of the xylem. In between them, if cambium present, then such type of vascular bundle is known as open type. If there is no cambium ring, then such type of vascular bundle will be called closed type of vascular bundle. Xylem mainly presents towards the interior part, and phloem are present towards the exterior part. Such type of vascular bundle are most common, and collateral vascular bundles may be open or closed type based on the presence or absence of cambium. Then vascular bundles देखिए we discuss about the bicollateral vascular bundle. The name represent bicollaterals here is the two phloems are present on the both side of the xylem. As you see in the screen, here is the figure of bicollateral vascular bundle. Here here both outer side and inner side of the xylem we found the phloem. We have to remember one point as bicollateral vascular bundles are always open type. Mainly such type of vascular bundles are found in the member of cucurbitaceae. Then such type of vascular bundle, in such type of vascular bundle we found two cambium ring. One is xylem and phloem which are present towards the outer side, and xylem and phloem which are present towards the inner side. Here two type of vascular cambium are present, so such type of vascular bundles are known as bicollateral vascular bundle. We have to remember one point that bicollateral vascular bundle always upon type. Okay, then we discuss about the concentric vascular bundle. Concentric vascular bundles are the type of conjoint vascular bundle. Here the vascular bundles element completely surround the other. If xylem is present in the center, around the xylem there is a phloem tissue. Based on the arrangement, we can divide the concentric vascular bundle into two types. One is your amphicribal and second one is your amphibasal type of vascular bundle. What is amphicribal vascular bundle? In amphicribal vascular bundle, it is a special type of concentric vascular bundle where xylem is present at the center. In amphicribal, xylem is present in the center. Around the surrounding the xylem, there is a phloem ring. Okay, such type of amphicribal vascular bundle are found in meristele of horn, small vascular trees of roots, flowers, and ovules. Okay, amphicribal means xylem is the center and phloem surrounding the xylem. Then we will discuss about the amphibasal type of vascular bundle. In case of amphibasal type of vascular bundle, here the reverse type of the amphicribal, where the phloem is present in the center and xylem surrounding the phloem. Okay, such type of vascular arrangement are known as amphibasal type of vascular bundle. It is a type of concentric type of vascular bundle. Mainly amphibasal type of vascular bundles found in Dracana stems and remux. Okay, then here we already discuss about the different type of vascular bundle and their examples with their explanation. I hope it is clear to all of you. Thank you.